So Elon Musk has just tweeted the poster and release date for Investor Day 2023. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at this tweet, Elon Musk actually states that MasterPlan 3, the path to a fully sustainable energy future for Earth, will be presented on March 1st. The future is bright. Now, this is a huge deal because you have to remember that Tesla is not just an automotive company. They're a software company, they're a robotics company, they're a hardware company, they're a car insurance company. In case you're unfamiliar with this, they actually have Tesla Insurance. They are also an electric company. Yes, that's right. There is Tesla Electric that started last year in 2022 in Texas, and that will actually be expanding to other states in the future. Now, this is a massive company involved in everything, all the way up into solar and clean energy. It is absolutely ridiculous. There is no end to Tesla. Now, the fact that they actually want to talk about MasterPlan 3 during this Investor Day of 2023 is going to be absolutely huge because we don't even know what the possibilities are at this point. The amount of energy that these gigafactories can produce is absolutely insane. I can't wait to see what Elon Musk has to say during Investor Day 2023 in order to find out exactly what Tesla plans to do for sustainable energy for the entire planet. But with all that said, let's go ahead and zoom in on this poster real quick, because if we take a look at this poster closely, we're actually seeing a whole bunch of the side panels off of a Model Y. Now, they are on all of these racks. There is a massive amount of these Model Y side panels. I actually think Elon Musk is hinting at us that their production line this year is going to be the biggest in Tesla history. But why wouldn't it? Because they're opening up multiple more gigafactories throughout the world, which is going to do nothing but increase the productivity of their vehicle. Now, in case you're out of the loop, Tesla completely sold out of every single Tesla model last year, even the showroom floor models and the test drive models. They can't keep them in stock. Earlier this year, he actually reduced the price, not because they were hurting, but because he wanted to meet the threshold in order for all the customers to benefit from the EV tax credit next year. And once he found out that the Model Y has now been added to the EV tax credit and can hit a $80,000 threshold, he has since increased the price of all variations of the Model Y by over $1,000 a piece. But he also lowered the price point on the Model 3 even further by another $500. It is absolutely insane what we're looking at for this year for Tesla. It is going to be absolutely beautiful. Now, keep in mind, this is not their keynotes. Their keynotes is essentially the Cyber Rodeo, which takes place in Texas, not on Investor Day. Investor Day talks more about things on what they plan to do on the production standpoint, where they plan to take the company and not show off products. The Cyber Rodeo this year is when I believe that Elon Musk will actually unveil the final version of the Cybertruck. I also believe he's going to talk more about the $20,000 Tesla. Yes, that's right. Tesla plans to release their own full self-driving autonomous robo-taxi, which is absolutely going to be massive. It's going to probably damage a lot of people's income that are involved in Uber, Lyft, and all of those ride-sharing programs that people are involved in, because who really wants to ride with somebody else who could just be a crazy asshole when they can ride in a Tesla that's going to drive itself to their destination? Tesla all day, every day, baby, I guarantee it. But there are probably going to be a lot of people who are concerned with the fact that the car is driving itself. What if something happens? Now, I have full self-driving beta, and I'm actually going to show you a bunch of videos over the next couple of days of this car completely driving itself. Even when there's no lines in the road, it comes to a stop sign, it sees the vehicles coming, turns out perfectly. If a vehicle speeds up on it, it actually starts moving a little bit quicker to avoid any type of accident. It is absolutely remarkable what the full self-drive beta can do. It is so beyond what anybody else has accomplished at this point that there is no way anybody is catching up to Tesla within the next 10 years. Now, if you want to get all my price targets on Tesla, when to buy in, when to buy options, and day trades, and everything else that's going on over at dailyinvestorx.com, you might want to think about joining up, because people are doing nothing over there but making money hand over fist. We now have over 1,200 members at dailyinvestorx.com that are making money non-stop. And what I'm going to do, because it's tax season, is I'm going to give everybody 20% off right now. All you have to do is head on over to dailyinvestorx.com, select which tier you want to purchase, and just use the promo code YT20. And you will get 20% off every single membership at dailyinvestorx.com. Now, during the last dip for Tesla, I told everybody the bottom was going to be between 100 and 104, and boom, there it was. I told everybody we're looking at the possibility of Tesla hitting between 200 to 250 plus by this summer, and boom, there we were. I even told everybody to buy options last week for Tesla, and it absolutely killed it. That is up over 400%. It is absolutely insane right now how much money we're making over at dailyinvestorx.com. So if you want to join, if you want to learn how to make money hand over fist, baby, you might want to join up, because that's all we do.